Hello everyone and welcome to Fuzz and Buzz. Today we are making easy tiramisu truffles. For that we need strong coffee, preferably Moka. Prepare that and let it cool down. We need to mix 1 package of Savoiardi ladyfinger biscuits. That's 7 ounces or 200 grams. When the biscuits are done, set them aside and take out your mascarpone sheets. You need 1 package, 8.8 ounces. Add half a cup of powdered sugar. Use a rubber spatula to mix these together. Add 3 tablespoons of cold Moka coffee, or strong coffee like espresso. Then add 1/8 of a cup of Marsala wine. Combine the liquids with the mascarpone and sugar mix. Don't worry if you still have some lumps. Add the biscuits and mix this together. If it's really sticky, so that it sticks to your hands, you can always pop it in the fridge for 20 minutes and it will be much easier to form the truffles. When you have rolled the truffles to your desired size, roll them in unsweetened cocoa powder. They need a little bit of time to set, so when you are finished rolling all the truffles, place them in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or the freezer for 30 minutes. These easy tiramisu truffles didn't last long in our house. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a really wonderful day.